Hello fellow teachers, my name is AllyBrinzea, a starting out high school English teacher. I understand that some of you out there are a little resistant to using digital technology in the classroom, and you know what? I understand, really I do. For teaching English, at first it seems there is no point in using digital technology in the classroom because, hey, books aren't electronic. All that needs to happen is a discussion, right? Well, here are some points to think about. We have to keep in mind that sometimes books can be pretty pricey, and students are usually looking for cheaper options other than buying a hardback book. One way to resolve this is to allow students to use electronic readers in the classroom so that they can buy the reading material for cheap. Not only is it cheaper, but it also has a lot of useful options for active reading. For instance, there are always those kids in the classroom who can't stand to write in books. I myself was like that when I was younger. I'd intentionally keep from writing in the book just to preserve it. With the technology we have now, we can get rid of this problem. An electronic reader can highlight text, and after the school year, the students can erase those highlighted passages to give them a clean copy of the text for enjoyable reading. They can also take notes with an electronic reader, a quick and easy way to keep track of everything note-wise for the classroom discussion. This also makes it very easy for students to refer back to their notes later on when studying. If you guys think that is useful, just imagine what else we could be using in the classroom that could help out our students. Schools are starting to put smartboards in the classroom, and this is a very useful tool to be using for English discussions. A lot of students are really interested in memes, or pictures with words written at the top and bottom that demonstrate a point about the picture. We could use this interest in the classroom with smartboards. Using this interest as a teacher, I could make a meme for the novel we are discussing in class, say Huckleberry Finn. I can take an issue that the students may not understand too well and put it into a meme form to capture the class's interest. Let's say Huck's dilemma not knowing whether to help Jim out or not. So I can take a meme which represents frustration and not understanding, the why you know guy, and then add the text, Huck, why you know help Jim. Sticking that image on the smartboard, I can then ask students to come up to the board and write down ideas of why Huck is so confused about what to do. At the end of the discussion, there will be the meme with a whole bunch of notes with different ideas explaining why this is such an issue in the book. These are just a few ways on how we could incorporate technology into the classroom, but even these two steps would advance our students' learning environment immensely, and as teachers, it is our job to ensure that our students are getting the best education that they can get. We have to keep up with the era, which is currently a digital native era, so that the students coming in will be ready to go out into the world.